Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Confluence Cloud spaces and permissions, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Confluence Cloud spaces and permissions, log into your Confluence account. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Spaces option in the sidebar. Next, click on Create Space to start setting up a new space. Choose the type of space you want to create, either a team space or a documentation space. Enter a name for your space in the designated field. You may also add a space key, which will serve as a unique identifier for the space. Once you've filled in the details, click Create to finalize the space setup. After creation, navigate to the space settings by clicking on the space name followed by Space Settings in the sidebar. In the Space Settings menu, look for the Permissions section. Click on Permissions to adjust the visibility and access levels for your space. Here, you can define who can view, edit, or manage the space. To add a new permission, select Edit Permissions. You can choose to grant permissions to individual users or to groups. Select the users or groups you want to manage, and then choose the appropriate permission levels. For each user or group, establish view, edit, or admin permissions according to your needs. Remember to click Save once you've made your selections. If you want to restrict access to certain content within the space, consider creating page restrictions. To do this, navigate to the specific page you wish to restrict. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the page and select Restrictions. In the Restrictions menu, you can specify who, select the users or groups, and then click Apply to implement the restrictions. Repeat this process for any other pages that require specific permissions. Once your permissions and restrictions are set, verify they work as intended by testing access with different user accounts. You can always return to the space settings to make adjustments if necessary. With your spaces and permissions now configured, your Confluence Cloud setup is ready for use. This allows you to maintain effective collaboration and control over your project documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.